first of all, I tried to open AMD Radeon software, but suddenly it showed an error and stopped working. It was working perfectly fine before, but now it says the version is not compatible with the graphics driver. To fix this issue, we need to reinstall the correct graphics driver. So first go to the official AMD website, then search for your graphics card model. After that, select your operating system like Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now you will see two options. One is auto detect and install, and the other one is full driver package, which is bigger in size. I recommend using the auto detect version because it is smaller and easier. Download it and run the setup, but sometimes you may get another error like access denied or installation failed. This happens because all AMD files are still in your system. So before installing, I recommend using AMD Cleanup utility to remove all old drivers. But in my case, I simply went to local disk C and deleted the AMD folder. After that, run the setup again, and this time the installation will complete without any error. Now, open AMD software and you will see the error is completely gone. And that is how you fix the AMD software not compatible issue easily.